Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be going over what is probably the best thing about DaVinci Resolve, hands down, okay? And that is power bins, okay? Power bins are brilliant. Power bins let you drag stuff through files like this. We have it through project. So, like if we started a brand new project, actually, let's start a brand new project. Here we go, new project. And as you can see, my power bin, it's still here. Power bins are actually, and I can drag down whatever I want, whenever I want. It's perfectly fine. Now, power bins are easy to enable. You don't need a plugin. You don't need anything like that. So we will simply go to view, okay? You guys might not be able to see it up here. But you go to view. It's at the very top where the file, edit, trim, timeline, clip, mark, and then view, okay? And then scroll all the way down to show power bins. And then it will show power bins right here. You can add folders to the power bin by right-clicking in the area. Let's see, you can, new bin would be what you were looking for a new folder. You can put folders inside of folders. You can save your effects, which is what I do actually. It's, effects that I'm going to use on most of my videos. I'll just save here. Easy drag drop, no hum, no foul. But yeah, that is power bins, one of the most useful things in DaVinci Resolve, in my opinion, and it's completely free. You just have to enable it. Why it doesn't come enabled by default, I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to leave it up there. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.